Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Urus with paper. First, gather your materials. You will need a printer, some sturdy paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Next, print out your chosen Lamborghini Urus template. Make sure the scale is appropriate for your desired model size, perhaps around 8 to 10 inches long. A clean, well-lit workspace will help you achieve the best results. Now, let's move on to cutting and folding. Take your time to carefully cut out each piece of the template. Precision here is key for a professional-looking model. Once cut, fold along every marked line. Use a ruler or a scoring tool to get really crisp, clean creases. This will make the assembly much easier and give your Urus sharp edges. With all your pieces cut and folded, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to each tab. Avoid using too much glue, as it can make the paper warp. Carefully align the tabs with their corresponding edges and press them firmly together. Hold each connection for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. Let the glue dry completely before moving on to the next section. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your paper Lamborghini Urus. You can draw or glue on details like windows, headlights, and wheels to make it look even more realistic. If you're feeling creative, consider painting or coloring your model to match your favorite Urus color. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals. Enjoy your new paper supercar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.